Stepping into Starlight Resort Hotel felt like entering a Mediterranean dream. Nestled along the breathtaking coastline of Side, Turkey, this five-star resort is designed for those who crave a blend of relaxation and entertainment in a luxurious setting. From the moment I arrived, I was welcomed with impeccable service and stunning views of the turquoise sea stretching endlessly into the horizon. The resort itself is massive, with lush gardens, palm trees, and elegant architecture that gives it a sophisticated yet tropical vibe. My room, absolutely stunning, spacious, modern, and with a balcony that offered the perfect sunrise view over the sea. The comfortable bed, premium amenities, and stylish decor made it feel like a home away from home. But let's talk about the food, a true culinary journey. With multiple a la carte restaurants serving everything from authentic Turkish delicacies to fresh seafood and gourmet international dishes, every meal felt like an experience on its own. And the buffets? Endless options, beautifully presented and bursting with flavor. The pool scene at Starlight Resort is next level. With an incredible selection of pools, including a massive main pool, quiet adults-only areas, and even private cabanas, you'll always find the perfect spot to relax. And if you're traveling with kids, the water park with thrilling slides will keep them entertained for hours. For those who love beachfront luxury, the private sandy beach is an absolute paradise. Comfortable sun loungers, crystal clear water, and a beachside bar serving refreshing cocktails. It's the kind of place where time seems to slow down, letting you soak in the beauty of the Turkish Riviera. Entertainment? This place doesn't hold back. From live music and professional shows to themed parties and sports activities, there's something happening every night. And if you're in the mood for some pampering, the spa and wellness center is a must-visit. I indulged in a traditional Turkish hammam experience, followed by a relaxing massage that melted all my stress away. Overall, Starlight Resort Hotel is the perfect escape for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Whether you want to unwind in luxury, dive into fun activities, or explore the beauty of Side, this resort truly offers an unforgettable stay. Would I come back? Without a doubt.